fixing the sofa now. First put them on. But you know why I'm not?
Because we are with you.
You can see on my everything.
Daddy, and we wasn't born and your mom left you was hurt. But you will never be that.
Nope.
Because you have kids.
Yeah.
And you always believe you want to have kids. And you wish it didn't come true. You get kids.
And you're amazing kids.
Thanks. You're an amazing father.
I love you so much. You're gonna be in charge. When Papa Ganush should eat, when we should take
But
it.
I'm going to be the boss, you see.
You're the boss.
I'm Papa Ganush.
Yes. When to eat, what to eat,
And
when to eat snacks.
You don't know how to make it half, so
You will do that.
It's the most, it's the same much. I know, because you will not get a map, but I'm getting a map.
Yes,
For
you are.
cutting and know about the galaxy, you need to know math.
Yep.
Because galaxies made of math, cutting things are made of math. Fish are made of math, should I say what? You need to know how long it is to fit in an aquarium. Water is math, almost a lot is math.
Yep.
So you need to know math to know a lot of things.
But I have you.
Yeah, like the smarter math, and you will start going to know more things because math is important. And you want to know about the galaxy, you need to know math. Because when you can't know math, you can't learn about the galaxy. That's why you need to learn math. And also about the body.
Yep.
Because the body, you need to measure it.
Yep.
And you don't know a number, how should you know? So math is important.
Very.
So I'm going to learn you math so you can know more things.
Yep.
Because you can't live in math, I can't math. You need to know math or it will be hard. You need to know math or it will be hard to know about the world.
I'm so happy for having you. Oh my gosh, I would be so devastated. And look at you. See? Yeah,
How should I look at me? I can't see my face.
in the mirror. Duh.
I'm happy you're happy. I said that twice plus twice. Fourth time. good thing. But you're good at it. No 4 times. What's 4 times 4?
I don't know, bro. Yeah.
What is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4?
Yo! Emias, move away from there. Don't break the cup.
4. What is
Emias.
4 plus 4?
8.
And 8 plus 4.
12.
And what is 12 plus 4? 4. And what is
16.
And you said the answer. It's 16.
Ah.
You can just take the number and then plus it, but it needs to be the same number. But and there's another number with another number. You need to like 2 times 25. Then you need to count the 20. Yeah.
You want to put the legs? Emias, come with me.
Wait.
So you put this here. Emias, come.
I get it.
Follow this.
Is
Do
it this
this.
way?
Here. No, this side. Good job.
Daddy, this is, I will do too, okay? I miss this one. I miss with her, yeah? I miss yes. I miss like this, Daddy. Yes, sir.
Give me that one.
I can do it. Help Ernest, okay? I'm good. Now I'm the boss now. Now I'm just the boss now, right now.
What the Emias?
Boom, 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 boom. I'm happy you have us.
I'm happy to have you. You have no idea.
And I was just alone. I was also
Emias, after you break it.
Dad, and I was living without you. I was also heartbroken. And also with MS.
Now we're gonna need help to turn it around.
Oh wait, let me put this somewhere. I'll put it safe in the cardboard.
Hold on. 1, 2, 3, go. Wait.
This is our new sofa.
Wait.
Yeah, Julie. Daddy, are we not taking this off? How is it gray? It's not gray, it's white. You said it was going to be gray. How is it gray? I can't see. It's not comfortable. Wait. This is not comfortable. It's not soft. Daddy, other than cushions. Can you give me one? Can you give me one for the cushions?
Wait, this is for me.
You're not doing anything. You just
What the?
wait.
What?
Okay, Papa, get out. Cardboard. This is fun also. Yeah, I got it.
Selma, can you hold this?
Okay.
Go on the other side.
This one. Daddy, show me where we put the cushions. Daddy, show me where we put the cushions.
Wait.
I'm coming to pick up the kids now.
Alright.
The kids.
Yeah, they are all dressed up, but then they just need the shoes. Alright.
Daddy, we're going to pick up the.
You're gonna go eat with your mom.
Wait, so we're going to see her face?
You're gonna go eat some burgers in front.